You open the door. Cold air hits your face, your nose freezes, and you think, wow, winter is here again. Maybe you feel happy, or maybe you just want to run back to your blanket.
Or you look out the window, see snow falling, and you feel calm, but also a little lazy. Like, I want to enjoy this, but I don't want to go outside.
If winter gives you many different feelings, this lesson is for you. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Charlie. This is English Daily Lessons, and today we'll show you how to talk about your emotions in winter in simple English.
We'll group winter feelings into positive, negative, mixed, and strong emotions. You'll learn easy words, synonyms, and short examples you can use in real conversation.
And later, we'll play a quick What's the Feeling game, and then explain some tricky words like cozy, gloomy, cabin fever, and refreshed.
So stay with us if you want to say more than I'm cold and really describe how winter makes you feel.
Before we continue, a small favor. If you enjoy learning English with us, please like this video and subscribe to English Daily Lessons. It helps us a lot and tells YouTube to show our lessons to more learners.
Thank you. Okay, let's start with a little winter feelings chat. Charlie, how does winter usually make you feel?
Honestly, I feel excited at the beginning. The first cold day, the first snow. I'm like a child.
Same here at first. I feel cozy and happy to wear warm clothes and drink hot tea. But after some weeks, I sometimes feel a bit tired of the dark days.
Yes, at 5 p.m. it's already dark, and sometimes I feel low energy or even a bit gloomy.
So winter gives us good feelings and difficult feelings. That's why emotion words are so useful.
Now, let's learn the most useful emotion words to describe winter: positive, negative, mixed, and strong.
We'll start with positive feelings about winter. Cozy, warm and comfortable, usually inside. Synonym, snug. Example, I feel cozy when I sit on the sofa with a blanket and hot chocolate. Peaceful, very calm and quiet. Synonym, calm. Example, the snow makes the street so peaceful at night. Excited, full of energy, happy about something. Synonym, thrilled. Example, the children are excited to play in the snow.
Now, some negative winter feelings. Lonely. You feel alone. You miss people. Example, in winter, I stay home a lot, and sometimes I feel lonely. Gloomy. Sad and dark like the weather. Synonym, down. Example, the sky is gray every day. It makes me feel gloomy. Irritable. You get annoyed easily. Synonym, grumpy. Example, when I'm cold and tired, I get irritable on winter mornings.
Now, mixed feelings, good and bad at the same time. Nostalgic. You remember the past and feel happy and a little sad. Example, winter music makes me feel nostalgic about my childhood. Lazy. You don't want to move or do anything. Synonym, unmotivated. Example, when it's snowing, I feel lazy and just want to stay in bed. Hopeful. You believe good things will come even if now is hard. Example, even on cold days, I feel hopeful when I think about spring.
And finally, some strong emotions you can feel in winter. Miserable. Very unhappy and uncomfortable. Example, waiting for the bus in the cold rain, I felt miserable. Overwhelmed. There was too much to do or feel. Example, with snow to clean and work to finish last week, I felt overwhelmed. Delighted. Very, very happy. Synonym, overjoyed. Example, my little brother was delighted when school closed because of snow.
Great work! Now let's see if you can choose the right feeling in some real winter situations. I'll describe a winter scene. You at home try to guess the emotion word. Then Charlie will answer. Ready?
Let's play.
Situation 1. It's Sunday morning. Outside, it's snowing softly. You are under a blanket, drinking tea and reading a book. You feel warm and safe. How do you feel?
I feel cozy and peaceful.
Situation 2. It's dark and it's raining, and your friends are busy. You sit alone in your room and scroll on your phone. You miss people. How do you feel?
I feel lonely.
Situation 3. You're waiting for the bus in the cold wind. Your hands hurt, your toes are cold, and the bus is late. You are very unhappy and uncomfortable. What word fits?
That's miserable.
Situation 4. You put on your favorite winter sweater, light a candle, and listen to old winter songs from your childhood. You smile, but your heart feels a little heavy. What is that emotion?
That's nostalgic.
Situation 5. You have to work, cook, shovel snow, and help your family. Everything is on the same day. It feels like too much. How do you feel?
I feel overwhelmed.
Nice job if you answered at home. Now let's zoom in on some tricky winter feeling words and explain them clearly.
We'll explain 6 useful words that are often used when people talk about winter. 1. Cozy.
We saw this one before. Cozy means warm, safe, and comfortable, often inside when it's cold outside. This cafe is so cozy in winter. I feel cozy in my blanket.
2. Gloomy. Gloomy is when something feels dark and a bit sad, like the weather or your mood. Today is gloomy, the sky is gray. I feel gloomy when I don't see the sun for many days.
3. Cabin fever. Cabin fever is a funny expression. It means you feel crazy or restless because you stay inside too long. After 3 days of heavy snow, I got cabin fever. I need to go for a walk. I have cabin fever.
4. Restless. Restless means you can't relax or sit still. You want to do something, but you don't know what. I feel restless when I stay home all weekend. The kids were restless because they couldn't play outside.
5. Nostalgic. Nostalgic is when you remember the past and feel happy and a little sad. Snow at night makes me nostalgic for winters with my grandparents. This song makes me feel nostalgic about last year.
6. Refreshed. Refreshed means you feel new and full of energy after rest or a break. After a quiet winter weekend at home, I feel refreshed. A walk in the cold air can make you feel refreshed.
Now you have a strong set of winter feeling words. Let's finish with a recap and then our question of the day for you.
Today you learned how to talk about winter feelings in English. We talked about positive feelings like cozy, peaceful, and excited.
Negative feelings like lonely, gloomy, and irritable. And mixed feelings like nostalgic, lazy, and hopeful.
And strong feelings like miserable, overwhelmed, and delighted.
And we explained tricky words like cozy, gloomy, cabin fever, restless, nostalgic, and refreshed. Now you can say more than I don't like winter or I like winter. You can say, I feel cozy when it snows. Dark days make me gloomy. After a quiet winter break, I feel refreshed.
Now it's your turn. Question of the day. How does winter make you feel? Try to answer in 2 or 3 sentences and use one new word from this lesson. For example, winter makes me feel cozy because I stay home with my family. Sometimes I feel lonely in winter because I don't go out much, but snow makes me hopeful.
Please write your answer in the comments. Don't worry about mistakes. Writing is fantastic practice.
And if this lesson helped you, please like this video and subscribe to English Daily Lessons so you don't miss our next episodes.
When you're ready, watch our next English Daily Lessons video about talking about the weather and seasons in English. It will go perfectly with this winter feelings lesson.
Thanks for learning with us today. Stay warm, stay kind to yourself, and keep practicing.
Bye for now.
Bye.